DuckDuckGo, the privacy-focused search engine best known for refusing to track its users, has once again captured the internet's attention. But this time, it wasn't because of a new browser feature or search engine update. Instead, the company launched one of the most unusual products of the year, a limited edition pair of sunglasses that it openly admitted do absolutely nothing. At first glance, the announcement sounded like a joke. In an era where major technology companies are racing to build AI-powered smart glasses equipped with cameras, microphones, speakers, live translation, facial recognition, and voice assistance, DuckDuckGo decided to go in the exact opposite direction. The sunglasses have no electronics, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, no batteries, no apps, no artificial intelligence, and absolutely no ability to collect or transmit data. They are simply a regular pair of sunglasses designed to protect your eyes from the sun, and nothing more. Yet despite offering none of the cutting-edge features consumers have come to expect from modern wearable technology, the product sold out almost immediately, turning what appeared to be a humorous marketing campaign into one of the company's biggest viral moments. The campaign quickly spread across social media platforms, where thousands of users praised DuckDuckGo for poking fun at today's obsession with making every product smart. Many internet users joke that these might be the only sunglasses that genuinely respect your privacy because they cannot record video, capture audio, track your location, or upload information to the cloud. Others describe the product as a refreshing reminder that not every gadget needs artificial intelligence or constant internet connectivity to be useful. In recent years, wearable technology has evolved rapidly, with smart glasses becoming one of the hottest categories in consumer electronics. Companies have introduced glasses capable of taking photos, recording videos, live streaming, translating conversations, identifying objects, and even interacting with AI assistants. While many consumers are excited about these innovations, others have become increasingly concerned about how much personal information these devices collect and where that data ultimately ends up. DuckDuckGo's sunglasses cleverly tapped into those growing concerns by offering the complete opposite of a surveillance device. Beyond the humor, the sunglasses perfectly align with DuckDuckGo's long-standing brand identity. Since its founding, the company has positioned itself as an alternative to traditional search engines by emphasizing user privacy, refusing to create personal search profiles, and minimizing data collection. That philosophy has expanded into its browser, email protection tools, and privacy-focused applications. The sunglasses extend that same message into the physical world. Instead of advertising powerful AI features or advanced sensors, DuckDuckGo embraced simplicity as its biggest selling point. The campaign subtly asks an important question: do we really need cameras, microphones, and artificial intelligence built into every product we use? For a growing number of consumers who are becoming more aware of digital surveillance and data privacy, the answer may not be as obvious as technology companies would like. Marketing experts have also praised the campaign as an example of brilliant brand storytelling. Rather than spending millions promoting another high-tech gadget, DuckDuckGo created a product that perfectly reflected its core values while generating enormous free publicity. News outlets, technology websites, influencers, and social media users all began discussing the sunglasses, giving the company far more exposure than traditional advertising campaign might have achieved. The product scarcity also added to its appeal. Because the sunglasses were released as a limited edition item, many people rushed to purchase them before they disappeared, creating an even greater sense of excitement and exclusivity. The rapid sellout demonstrated that consumers are often drawn not only to innovative technology, but also to products with a compelling story and a strong sense of identity. The launch also highlights a broader shift occurring in the technology industry. As artificial intelligence becomes integrated into more devices, from smartphones and laptops to earbuds and wearable gadgets, many people are beginning to question whether every aspect of daily life needs to be connected to the internet. Privacy concerns surrounding facial recognition, voice recording, targeted advertising, location tracking, and cloud data storage continue to grow. Governments around the world are introducing new regulations to address these issues, while consumers are becoming more selective about the products they use. DuckDuckGo's sunglasses may have been designed as a joke, but they also reflect a genuine cultural conversation about balancing technological innovation with personal privacy. Sometimes, the campaign suggests the smartest product isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that knows when to stay simple. Although the sunglasses themselves won't compete with AI-powered wearables from major tech companies, their viral success proves that simplicity can be just as powerful as innovation. Buyers weren't purchasing advanced technology. They were buying into an idea. Some saw the sunglasses as a collectible item. Others appreciated the humorous statement they made. And many viewed them as a symbol of resistance against the growing trend of constant digital surveillance. The overwhelming response shows that there is a sizable audience eager for products that prioritize privacy, minimalism, and thoughtful design over endless technological complexity. In the end, DuckDuckGo accomplished something remarkable. The company managed to dominate technology headlines worldwide without introducing a revolutionary new device or groundbreaking AI feature. Instead, it launched a pair of sunglasses that proudly offered no smart capabilities whatsoever, and consumers loved them. The campaign serves as a reminder that creativity, humor, and a clear brand message can sometimes have a greater impact than the latest technological breakthrough. In a world where companies compete to make every product smarter, DuckDuckGo proved that doing absolutely nothing can sometimes be the smartest move of all.